Hi Nathan, my name is Michaela. I spoke to somebody in your office today about doing a quick video. I'm just doing videos for different small businesses in your area, just going over your websites, ways that you can improve, get new leads, and grow your business. I did notice that you guys are doing pretty well on an overall Google standard, but I still have some tips and tricks for you guys if you're at all interested. Again, this is just free information. Do with it as you will. If you'd like help, let me know, but if not, just take this as free information and it's all yours, okay? So I'm going to talk about 3 different things that Google looks for when ranking different websites along their Google platform. Number 1 is going to be content. So content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your web page. So from your front page alone, you don't really have much text, okay? So I'm going to show you some competitions pages from your area. This is OxyFresh. Of course, they're a lot bigger corporation, but I'm just going to go over that with you as well. And to be honest, they've got a little bit more content on their page, but to beat them on content alone is not going to be hard. One thing that Google does do is every few weeks it does a sweep of the internet, finds different websites with lots of text, and moves them to the top of the Google rankings. Let's look at an example, okay? So anytime you do a basic Google search, Wikipedia always shows up number 1 because it has the most content. Content is important and huge to Google. So the more you have, the better you're going to outrank your competition alone, and this is the number 1 thing that Google looks for in organically moving websites up that ladder, okay? So what I recommend, just based off looking at your competitions pages, would be about 1,500 words on your home page alone. On every additional page, we usually recommend anywhere between 750 to 1,000 words. So here we have some room to grow. Again, Google loves content, and with that, we do keyword stuffing to where you totally get found for different keyword searches that people do on a day in, day out basis. So I would definitely recommend more text with keywords. For every keyword you rank for, you need anywhere between 250 to 500 words surrounding that text. So a lot of text is necessary to rank high for that with Google, okay? This is Ahrefs. It just kind of gives me a breakdown of how you're doing on the internet. And honestly, you're doing pretty well. This number, these 2 numbers here, we like to see as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. But the fact that you're ranking actually pretty well within both of those says a lot. We like these numbers to be close to 30. This is typically directly related to citations, where this is directly related to referring domains. Again, you seem to have very strong referring domains. We just need to keep adding those to get these numbers boosted up and to get these numbers close to a 1-to-1 ratio and around 30 or above. When you get to that number, Google kind of secures your spot as one of those top competitors on their page, and you don't fluctuate typically from those spots. So that's good to know. You're also ranking for 148 keywords, but when sorry, this kicked me out. When I go in here and show you the keywords that you're ranking for, you're in the number 1 position, of course, for your business name, ServiceMaster, right? And then Johnson City, you're at number 2, so you're not even ranking number 1 for your own business name there. But beyond that, you're actually pushed off to page 2 and beyond. So any type of carpet cleaning in your surrounding areas, people aren't finding you for those, okay? ServiceMaster Restore, you're at 31. You're on page 4 there. House Cleaning Johnson City, you're at 32. Again, so some of these larger keywords that people typically search for, you're just not in the viewable ranking for them, okay? This shows that the ones that you're ranking number 1 for your own name are only getting about 20 searches a month. So that's not a ton of traffic to your website. On average right now, you're getting about 20 people to your website a month, and I'm not sure if that's giving you enough leads, enough business, if you're closing enough deals from people coming to your website alone. But the higher we can get this number, the better, obviously. Again, just looking at your competition, again, they're not doing great with citations, so you're definitely beating them there, and definitely beating them with keywords unless they're ranking for others as well. They're getting about 55 people to their website per month, so a little bit less than half of what you're getting now. or right around half of what you're getting. So there's definitely room for improvement and growth. If you have a Google My Business, let's see. These top 3 here are going to get the most business just from being visible and in people's faces, right? So how do we get to the top of the Google My Business page? Well, that's going to be through citations. Again, that's going to be anywhere your business name, phone number, and your location of some sort appears on any online directory. So think Yelp and Yellow Pages. We're going to recommend you get quite a bit of those to secure a top position here. And once you get to the top of the Google My Business, again, Google sees you. Pairing that with good quality backlinks and citations, you're going to bring this number into the stable value that Google likes to see. And again, doing a little bit more keyword stuffing around your text. There's probably not enough text on your site currently to rank for some of the keywords that you should be ranking for. So text is going to be a big factor there in moving you up that chain. So anyways, I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, let me know. If you don't mind, send me a quick email just letting me know that you saw this video and tell me your thoughts on it, okay? Hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.